Hello, in this video we're going to show you how in Java we can use relational operators to check the relationship between two operands. When we say relational operators, we can say here like the equal, not equal, greater, less, greater or equal, less or equal. So let's see these in action. Okay, as you can see, of course remember that A is 10, B is 20. So here, of course, A is not equal to B. This one, it is true. Yes. A, it is not equal to B. A is greater than B. No. A is less than B. Yes. A is greater or equal to B. No. A is less or equal to B. Yes. Okay. Then I'm going to show you here this. 0, the character 0 is less than 1, is less than A, big A, is less than small a. So even if we want to use these operators, it can also work. Let's see here. So the character Z is less than the character Z in small. And also, if we see here the last equation, we can see here that we have created the first calculation here, then the second calculation here, and then we compared them using the relational operators. Okay, so if we want to calculate this, A plus B is gonna give us 30, and B plus 2 is gonna give us 22. So as we can see, 30 is not less or equal than 22. That's why here we got a false. Just to remember that two equal signs are used for relational operators. One equal sign is used to put the value on the right in the variable that is on the left. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.